How to view battery usage by app on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Battery. Next, in here, scroll down to the bottom. In here, you can view the battery usage by app or by activities. In here, if I tap on Show Activity, it will show battery usage by activity. Or I can tap on Show Battery Usage, and here we show battery usage by app. And that's it. From the list here, it shows that settings use up 65% of my battery power. Next is Safari, and then Home and Lock Screen, and then Photos. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.